Alright, back again with Thai with Grace on the road. So take a look at that. I'm gonna help you read and then I'm gonna explain to you. So ra biap. Don't get confused with S, alright? It's not S. It's r sound. R. So ra biap. การใช้ to use, right? การใช้ so the usage การใช้ let's try that สนามหญ้า okay, let's look at the meaning ระเบียบ you already see the English, try not to look at the English. ระเบียบ regulation, and it can also means when you put something in right order, in right place, it's orderly. Orderly is already also a regulation, yeah? Two meaning in one word. That's really logical, right? So here I want to give you a little bit more example for the word rabiab when it's used for orderly and in order. จัดรองเท้าให้เป็นระเบียบ Put your shoe in order. วางของให้เป็นระเบียบ Place things in order, so make it not look messy, right? วางระเบียบ is the opposite of being messy. And lastly แขวนเสื้อให้เป็นระเบียบ Hang your shirt orderly. Tight to use. To use is a verb. How do you make anything a noun? In Thai, it's so easy. You have this word, การ So here I want to take a little look with you at a noun maker in Thai. It's very easy to make noun, as I already said, but there are concrete and abstract noun. Let's just take a look at some examples. การทำ ทำ is to do. The act of doing is การทำ การพูด speaking, to speak. The act of speaking is การพูด การเรียน study. The act of studying, right? So these are concrete stuff that you can put into noun simply by putting การ and the abstract noun maker is ความรัก so ความ with a verb or an adjective becomes a noun ความรัก love ความชอบ like ความรู้ is to know, and the noun form of to know is knowledge. Take a look at that สนามหญ้า If you memorize the word สนาม you can use it with everything. สนามหญ้า means grass. สนาม means field. Now, how do you say soccer field? Soccer field in Thai สนามฟุตบอล How do you say basketball field? สนาม basketball. What about tennis court? So tennis field, yeah? สนาม tennis. สนามปิงปอง สนาม taekwondo. Everything. All right. So that's it today. Thank you very much. And I'll see you again.